Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this logo in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. Let me move towards a new artboard. Okay, first of all choose line tool and draw a line, and then take a copy of the line like this and press Ctrl D multiple times. We have to make total 9 copies. Once you're done, group them. Alright, then choose star tool and click anywhere on the artboard. Make sure points are 3. Click OK to create. Increase the size of the triangle and put it here. Now it's time to take a copy of this group of lines. Go to edit, use copy and then edit, paste in front. Okay, now move the copy of the lines and align it with the triangle. Okay, now we don't need any more this triangle, so let's select it and delete it. Now select this group of lines, use this reflect tool and click on the center of this group of lines by pressing Alt and then clicking, and then make sure you have selected this vertical and angle is 90, which is by default, and click on copy to take a copy. Alright, and now select this group of lines which we have created at the beginning and hold down shift key and move it like this. Now it's time to create our logo which I shown you earlier. Choose shape builder tool and make sure there is any fill color and no stroke color. First of all select all and choose shape builder tool and swipe the colors, and now it's time to draw our logo. And you can see that we have created our logo. It's looking fine, but there are some minor corrections that you have to do. Alright, once done, let's click and right click, choose ungroup, and then move this towards right side and here is a little one for issue, or one issue is here. So let's undo it. Press Ctrl Z and let's correct this one. Select all, choose shape builder tool and correct this one and correct this one. My system is working slow. What's the issue? Okay, let me check. Okay, it's done. Now it's okay. Again, select it, right click, and okay, it's already ungrouped. Okay, move it towards right side. Select all these lines which we don't need anymore and delete them. And align it with center, vertically and horizontally, and scale it, resize it. Okay, so we have created our logo. So that was the tutorial how to create the logo, this logo in Adobe Illustrator CC. I hope you like it, and if you have any questions, suggestion, or feedback, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching, and sorry for background noise. All right, take care and bye bye.